gonna be making some sushi. Delicious, and all kinds of sushi. Even fish, salmon, and also cucumbers. Now we're gonna get started with our very yummy sushis. Okay, here's the box, and let's get started. Sushi yummy in my tummy. We like sushi. So, and we have the little sauces and chopsticks, and you'll find out on the way. And we have, I got some scissors with me, put that there, and some yummy rice. There's lots of type of rice you need for sushi. And here's this. Wait, I'm gonna see what this is. And this is gonna show me how to make. Okay, now I'll put this over here. Here's the box. And this is the other side. Am I holding it right? Oh. Okay, so let's get started. So first we're gonna need them. So that will be in this bag. So first up is the first one that you see, which is the tallest. On the left, the high one. This has worked for me. And now let's get started. So I'm going to see what it actually meant. Let's get this all out and put it on the side. So we need these seaweed. So let's put everything over here. I'll grab them when we need them. What's this? Put a like off if you know what this is.
You've got sushi vinegar, and it's for cooking the rice.
Rice.
This is where you got to get a grown-up to help you cook the rice. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video. And then we're going to cook the rice, and then we'll come back and help you with putting it together.
So I have some prawns and salmon and smoked salmon and avocado and cucumber. And we have some soy sauce, ginger, and
Wasabi.
Wasabi.
It's very spicy, isn't it?
Yeah. Now I got my bamboo and my seaweed. Now I'm going to dip my hands in fully. And now I'm going to get some rice. I'm going to get this much. Feels good. I might get more if I run out. So now we're going to rub it. Rub. This is hard. Okay. I'll get some rice on there.
So you just dip your hands in water again and get some more rice.
Yes.
The key to it is having your hand wet.
Yeah. So it doesn't get sticky when you put your hand in. Now I got more. Whoops. I'll take those. Now wedge and wedge and wedge. Hit. And keep doing it. La la la. La la la. I put those there. So I'm gonna do another one after this. So keep flattening it so you think it's actually good. Okay, now let's wet my hands again and just do one more row. One more. Ooh, right. Okay, now I'm gonna dip it in. Go straight them out. Straight. Right. I'm gonna put this bit more on the bamboo. Bamboo is yummy, but you don't actually eat the bamboo. Okay, and one more. Oh, and and like and subscribe. And press the like button. Not down. Like. And subscribe to our channel. Okay.
What are you going to put on your sushi?
I'm gonna put some mayo first. Me love mayo.
Okay, it's got a cap.
Oh.
You can just take the cap off, otherwise it's going to squish right out and it'll be a blowout. Oh my god. What
I have
is she
slippery
doing?
hands.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna quickly dry them. Wet hand solution.
How crazy is that? Alright, here comes a hand from above. Move your hand.
Nah.
There you go. There's your mayo.
Yes.
This is Japanese mayo, also known as...
I don't know. You see, I don't learn. One more. And what should I do next?
I think it's probably you'll find it easier to roll if you put them like that. Alright. You're going to put some avocados in there?
Let me number my ingredient list. No. Okay, time to roll it. Nope.
Use the bamboo. Move it over. Lift it up. Lift it up all the way over. Lift it up. Lift the... Okay.
I'm lifting it. Please help me. It's always good to ask for help.
Correct. Alright, so what you got to do is, first of all, got to move it closer to the edge. And we're going to get the edge, remember?
Oh, yeah.
When we do this, we get the edge.
Oh, wet, so it sticks.
And then we're going to lift this right up. Like that. And then move this like that.
Oh, I think I got it. Ta-da.
There
And then
you
you got
go.
your sushi. And now let's cut it up. Now, where's the knife? Which knife?
Do you get to use knives?
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I've done it before.
Oh, you haven't.
Be sharpening a
So
knife.
what you do is, then you need, for cutting it, you need a sharp knife. So just put it on the board.
The board.
You need a cutting board, so move your
Bamboo goes over here.
cutting board down.
This is my dad's sushi that he made.
Yeah.
Can I cut it? I want to make mine so thick.
So we're going to cut the edge like that, because you make the edge very hollow. Here you go. You can taste that one, see how it goes.
That's good.
Is it good? There you go. There's your little sushis.
Sushi.
Very good. All right. Are you done, Haley? Are you gonna have some soy sauce with it?
I'm gonna make another one because it's so yummy. You should try yours. So now I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna dip my fingers in. I wonder what I'm gonna put in this one. Last time I had mayo and prawn. Now let's rub this in.
Why don't you have a salmon and avocado with this one?
No, I'm just gonna have avocado.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Okay. Dippy dip dip, dippy dip dip. I dip it in. Wee. Being careful. Now flooding it. Did you know at the places like the sushi train, they actually don't wear gloves when they make sushi. They use bare hands. Ugh. Lucky they wash their hands after. Well, not after. Well, before. Right after them when they finished. Okay, now we can grab some more from the top bit. Wait, I'm gonna grab some and put some here though. Okay, now flatten. Just flattening it. See this? That means I need more water. I'm cooking. Squish. Here. Doing good. And one more scoop for me. And put one here and one here. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly dry my hands and come back, okay? Okay. Now I'm going to put on avocado raining on my sushi.
You gotta put them in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Middle.
No, the other way. So you can roll them easily.
Oh, yeah. Avocado shines, one more. Okay, now I'm gonna roll it.
You gonna put any sesame seeds on there?
No.
What about some mayo?
And okay, now I'm gonna roll it, and now roll. Whoa, this is hard. Roll it. Now I'm gonna let it go. Almost, but oh yeah, I have to wet this part. I forgot that. Okay, maybe next time try and remember. You see, I made a big mistake. Now I have a cooking sushi. I just go quickly roll it up and make it in shape again. Okay, now I'm gonna bring the cutting board over. I'm cutting it. Wait.
You dropped your avocado as well.
Me.
Okay, now
My uncle.
let's get, you've got the knife. Move out of the way, please. Kids, always ask a grown up to help you when it comes to cutting things. Are you being cheeky down there? Where's your plate, Missy? No, the same plate as before.
Okay, my sushi from before. The burger. The soy sauce.
Okay.
Already. Wanted. Give me my sushi. I'm not saying.
There we go. That looks good.
And try this one.
How is it?
Good.
There you go, miss. You can show your friends.